Hello and welcome. This is Carolyn. Thank you for being here with me. Today, we will practice grounding through the breath, arriving fully in the present moment. Let's begin. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Allow your body to be fully supported. Gently close your eyes or simply soften your gaze. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently breathe out. Again, inhale deeply and exhale completely. One more time. Deep breath in and slow breath out. Now simply let your breath find its own easy rhythm. Allow yourself to settle into this gentle flow, following each inhale and then each exhale. Bring your awareness to the simple feeling of breathing. The air moving in and the air moving out. Allow your awareness to rest here. If your mind begins to wander, simply notice, and then gently and kindly guide your attention back to the breath. Inhale, exhale. breathing in, breathing out. Again and again, as the mind wanders, return with ease. Silently repeat, I am here. I am present. Let these words softly settle. Take one more gentle breath. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Take this sense of calm with you into the rest of your day. Until next time, may peace be with you.